Hi friends, we're ready for Unit 4, Week 4, Day 5. This week we've been talking about what? We've been talking about insects, right? And some cool things that we learned yesterday were insects have how many legs? 6. What was my favorite fact from yesterday? Do you remember? The grasshoppers have what? 5 eyes. That is so cool. So cool. All right. What was another fact you learned from yesterday? Ants can carry what? 20 to 100 times their weight. And that's pretty awesome. All right, we're going to start with our vocabulary words today. What's this word? Flutter. Flutter means you what? To move or fly with quick what? Movements. All right, what's this word? Different. To be different is to not be the same, right? This apple is red. This apple is blue. They are different. All right, do you remember what this word is? Imitate. If you imitate, it means that you act like someone or something else. All right, what's this one? Protect. If you protect something, you keep it safe. You keep it safe. Okay, what's this one? Resemble, right? This little boy resembles his dad. That means that he looks like someone else. You look like someone. All right. Today you're going to be telling me the sounds that you hear in each word. So you're going to tap them out. Are you ready? Here we go. The word is shy. Let's chop them today. So get your choppers out. Here we go. Shy. Sh. I. Shy. Nice job. Our word is fly. Oh, I. Fly. Nice work. Our word is tight. Here we go. Tight. Tight. All right, our last word is pie. P-I. Pie. Great work. This week we've been learning about long what? Long I, and we've learned some different ways that we can spell long I. We can spell long I with an I, a Y, I-G-H, and I-E, right? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and tap out some words. Here we go. Lion paws out, tiger paws out. Here we go. Night, night. I, fry. I, fly. I'd, cried. I'd, dried. I'd, fried. All right, we are going to go ahead and review our sight words for this week. And we have actions. Let's go ahead and do those actions. Are you ready? Here we go. Flew. No. Were. Listen. Laugh. And caught. Remember, if you're not sure on those, keep practicing them. All right, you're going to be reading some stories today, but before we do that, we are going to go ahead and review some of our sight words and get a little bit of movement going. So let me pull it up and we'll get going. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Okay, the, a, and, is, his, of, as, has. All right, run in place. Run, 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 run as fast as you can. Here we go. To, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or. All right, do some squats. We're going to do 5 squats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Here we go. You, your, I, they, was, one, said, from. All right, let's do 10 mountain climbers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Have, do, does, were, are, who, what, when, where. Jump on one foot. Let's jump 5 times on each foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Here we go. There. Here. Why. By. My. Try. Put. To. Very. Also. Some. All right, Superman. Okay, we're going to hold it for 10. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. All right, we are going to stop right there. I will see you guys later. Bye.